Hey everyone, gotta put my headband on to get my hair out of my face. So I have these 4 colors and this one brush that I'm going to do all my makeup with today. I'm filling for my cheekbone and putting that contour color right up under it, because you want to make a shadow effect with your contour. That will give dimension and define your cheeks. You want to put it up under your chin as well. Give that shadow effect. No double chins here. And then of course, put a little contour on your nose. Now I'm putting my main highlight color on. You just want to put it everywhere around the contour, and then you want to start blending it in. Just want to kind of go into circular motions and blend, blend, blend. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend in the contour. You kind of want to blend it and do circular motions, and also kind of go in an upward motion because we want everything to look lifted. We like that look. Just blending it in around my forehead, now on my nose, and you just kind of want to pat the contour on your nose. Alright, now I'm getting my brightener. It's the brightening highlight, and putting it up under my nose. My eyes. And then I was putting it on my nose. And then I'm going to blend it in under my eyes, a little bit downward, kind of like in a pie shape. We don't want any dark circles either. Now I'm just blending it right there in between my brows and down my nose. Now I'm going into my lip and cheek color. And this really just gives a nice, youthful glow. Always want to put on some blush. And you can also use it for some lip color. And now I'm going to take the same contour color and fill in my eyebrows. Now I am no eyebrow expert, but I try. Brush them out a little. That looks good. Okay, take the headband out and you are ready to go.